Hey guys, before the video even starts, I just want to apologize. I completely forgot to record the other half of this. Yep, OBS was open and I just did not hit record, but I'm out of time here, so I think I'm just gonna put this up as it is, and I'm sorry. That was my mistake. But I hope you guys enjoy this video anyway. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sketchbook Sunday. First of all, if you can hear like hammering and stuff in the background, I guess they're renovating the unit next door to mine or something, or above me, I don't know, the sound kind of feels like it's coming from everywhere. So yeah, if there's like banging and stuff, my bad, I really can't do anything about that. But it shouldn't be, it's not too loud in my opinion, it shouldn't be a big deal. And the second thing is, this is my, last weekend was my last like full weekend off. My Japanese classes are starting up again, and last year that kind of made me feel like I had to stop making the Sunday videos because I wanted to put a lot of time into the classes, but like halfway through the first semester I figured it was okay to keep making them. Like I was, I still had enough time, so I just want to, if I decide that I need to stop making the Sunday videos, I'll give like a heads up. I don't think it'll be an issue, but I did want to like address it in case, I miss one or two or whatever. You can follow me on Twitter if you want. I guess that's where I would announce if I decide not to make one, but fingers crossed everything works out like it did last year and I have plenty of time to make them, which I think will be the case. Like, I don't know, it's not like, it's only 3 hours a week, like how much do you want me to study? But yeah, anyway, this is just a little Nirgegante sketch. Still on the Monster Hunter fan art kick. I am really enjoying that game. I'm just shy of like full Xeno Jiva armor. I'm only missing like a Wyvern gem or whatever it's called. And there's a new guy coming out for PC. I don't know his name. My friend's just been calling him Pickle, so that's that's what he's called to me. But yeah, just a little Nirgegante sketch. Want to draw him more. Definitely almost want to make a sticker of him. He's really cool. I like his wings. But yeah, not too much to say about that. Just some more fan art. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I do not think this will be the last one, because I don't know why I'm worried. I always worry about these things. This channel has gotten like weirdly important to me. It used to be like a side thing that I would do to motivate myself to draw regularly, but now it's like, oh, I actually really like doing this. I don't want to stop. So yeah, I don't know, I'm overthinking it. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys Wednesday.